Hello, this is Katie with the regular SQL and Python versus the Python and alchemy assignment. So first we could see here that we're logged into MySQL and we have our database and we have our users table, and it's already loaded with these 5 users. We could see in our command prompt that we have alchemy and virtual environment downloaded already with pip. So then we could get started. I use PyMySQL here like I did in the last assignment to do our regular connections. So we could run it here and we could see the 5 emails from our database. You could do the same thing here to test it. This is an SQL extension, so we could have a little bit of our database right over here. And then I adjusted the week 7 sqlalchemy with sqlalite text with the movies database to work for our users database. So the first time you run it with the sqlalite, you run it and then insert everything into the database. Then you have to comment it all out because we're going to use sqlalchemy after that. See, it says comment it out. So I already ran this and preloaded the database. Here you can see that we're using users as a database, and we're doing a few of the things we did in the class code, like test inserting and the other things we did in the test code. But here we just adjusted it to the users, so we could run this one and we see we get a lot of the same results. And then we have the extra test insert result over here. So this is just an example of using PyMySQL to connect to an SQL database, or using Python, SQLite, and sqlalchemy to make and connect to a virtual database.